Uy. So, gala-gala muna ako dito sa Wanchay kasi workshop ko is tagtong lang yung ano, sombrero. $10. Cute ng pusa. Hihi. Magkano siya? 12,800. 18,800. Pong charm.
Carpet. Pasensya na po. Later na lang po kayo magkape. Wala na po ba dyan lahat ng leadership? Bawal po muna magdala ng kami sa loob. And CEO of the Health Bridge. Di ba yung Health Bridge niya? Ganyan. A social enterprise dedicated to empowering overseas Filipino workers in Hong Kong through entrepreneurship education. A proud Filipino, education entrepreneur, SR professional and community leader. Miles was raised by a domestic worker in the Philippines. He has helped thousands of OFWs in Hong Kong gain life-changing knowledge and entrepreneurship. His life's mission is to assist OFWs across Asia and beyond in realizing their fullest potential and achieving their career dreams. Through advanced entrepreneurship training and customized mentorship, HelpBridge has helped over 3,000 OFWs, could you imagine, to acquire valuable skills in leadership, finance, operations, marketing, and IT. HelpBridge has transformed courageous OFWs into resilient entrepreneurs and fostering positive change for their families as they reintegrate in their home countries. Mr. Miles has worked at Fortune 500 companies, including BlackRock, JP Morgan, as well as tech companies like Caliber.
JP Morgan is a financial one eh.
One of the Philippines' largest job research platforms. Mr. Miles has also served as a volunteer community organizer for award-winning NGOs such as Enrich Hong Kong and Help for Domestic Workers. Mr. Miles graduated first class honor summa cum laude in economics and anthropology at the Chinese University of Hong Kong. Now let us welcome our genius, Mr. Miles, and the Smart Leadership Training Program, no other than Mr. Miles Dan.
Thank you so much, Auntie. Wait, let me just fix this one.
Wala pang 30 yun. Nasa
Wow! Good afternoon! Wow! I'm always lost for words now when we do these trainings with OWA. Being a Filipino myself, you could have chosen to spend this day with your friends, with your families, with your busy lives, pero you chose to be here. So I think more than clapping for the big people here in front, and maybe even for me, I think I want you to give a round of applause for yourself. And I think I want you to remember that this training, you might have seen that we do this now, kasi when I do my trainings, it's not about me, it's really about you. And my hope is that at the end of the next 2 or 3 hours, you'll realize that there's so much potential that you have. Not from just hearing this guy with an orange shirt speak, but from each other and from yourselves.
Yes.
That's my goal for today, and that's the way that I train. Pasensya lang guys, hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog kasi Cebuano ako eh. Actually, born in Bisaya ako. I didn't grow up, anyone from Bisaya, Western Visaya, Central or Eastern Visaya. Dami pala.
Cebuano.
Yeah, pero for my Luzon and Visayas friends, in spirit of inclusion, pwede lang mag-English, guys.
Yes,
okay. I will try. I always say this to my students. I can't speak fluent talaga Tagalog, pero I can speak Filipino in terms of the heart and in terms of where you come from. I grew up with the yaya. I was very blessed to grow up with the yaya, very kind and warm yaya since I was a baby. So I understand where you come from in that sense. But anyways, thank you so much again to OWA and to all of you for coming today. As Ms. Chona so kindly introduced me, I'm Miles, I'm the founder and CEO of HelpBridge. But in this context, today, I'm your kababayan, and I am not your trainer or your resource speaker. I like to think of myself as your coach, because the real learning comes from within. It's not from all the noise around you. Before I start today, I just want you to remember this is an opportunity to learn. And what is the purpose of learning? The purpose of learning is not just to get lots of information, take pictures about it, and post it on Facebook. I post on Facebook too, But what I'm saying is, what are you going to do about what you learned today? No?
Yeah.
One of the things I always tell my students is learning is useless if you don't turn it into. But the number one thing I really want to ask you talaga, no, is what are you gonna do? No? You've all learned some interesting skills. You've all shared and heard from the stories of the people on your left and your right, your front and your back. My message for you lang is use what you learned today to do something for yourself. And the purpose of learning at Helpbridge and for me is that you use it to change your life. You do it to do something real in the world that impacts the lives of yourself and your families. The reason you're here as an OFW, I know, is to care and provide for, yes, for love yourself, like we said in emotional intelligence, but to provide for your loved ones, provide for the people around you. And that's what we do at Helpbridge, and that's what I want you to do for yourself. You know? So hopefully this training has been helpful. And at Helpbridge, I always like to conclude my trainings with this saying, no? 10 words, 2 letters, nothing less, nothing more. If it is to be, it is up to me. 10 words, 2 syllables, nothing less, nothing more. That's why at Helpbridge, it is always up to me. It has never been about me. It has never been about me. It has always been about yourself, myself, me. No? So I want you to walk out of this training. You can do it. Okay? Look to the person to your left, grab them by the shoulder and say, you can do it! You can do it, I can do it too. Round of applause for everyone. Okay, before I talk about this flyer, what do you selfie? In 3, 2, 1. Let me see if everyone was captured. Beautiful. Look. Anyways, thank you so much again, everyone. Thank you so at Helpbridge, what I always say is, after you learn something, always take action. I've given you some suggestions on ways to build those 4 skills, but I am also happy to say that at Helpbridge we do offer a boot camp. We do offer an advanced form of what I actually teach, specifically when it comes to entrepreneurship. And for those of you who are dreaming of maybe starting a business, you dream to return home and maybe start a negosyo, start something one of these days, I'm really proud to share with you our signature bootcamp, which is now enrolling for its 4th batch. 4th batch already. It's called the Hope Bootcamp. So